YouTube? I hope you are going well and everybody is safe and healthy. Polar and I wish you the best. Stay home, stay safe. You can make a homemade mask. It doesn't have to be a surgical mask. You have a shirt like Polar. We love the color of orange. You just put it here and like your hand this much. Like Polar. We cut it. Okay. Let's see Polar. And then you don't need to do nothing. One and then two. Right? The first one goes on your nose. Make sure cover nose, mouth, everything. Like here. And you can breathe through it. Look at that. I cover even my ear. And there is nothing here left. So this is the best mask. You cover your nose, put a goggle or glasses. You're ready to go walk your dog. Like Polar. We're gonna have a mask too. Like